Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're taking a look at the BRINBO Pleco SK01 solar-powered pool skimmer robot. I looked through the internet, checked the official specifications, expert opinions, and user feedback to find out whether this robotic pool skimmer is actually worth buying. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The biggest advantage of the BRINBO Pleco SK01 is that it automatically removes floating debris before it has a chance to sink. Whether it's leaves, pollen, flower petals, hair, dust, or small insects, this robot continuously skims the surface to keep your pool looking clean while reducing the workload on your main filtration system. One feature that really stands out is its dual charging system. During sunny days, the built-in solar panel keeps the robot running using clean, renewable energy. When the weather isn't cooperating, you can simply recharge it using the included power adapter. This combination gives you reliable performance throughout the swimming season instead of depending entirely on sunlight. The Pleco SK01 also offers two cleaning modes. Low-speed mode is perfect for regular maintenance, while high-speed mode quickly handles heavier debris after storms or windy days. Its large filter basket is another welcome feature because it collects more debris before needing to be emptied, making maintenance faster and less frequent. Navigation is handled by intelligent obstacle avoidance technology. High-precision sensors and anti-stuck rods allow the robot to recognize pool walls, ladders, and other obstacles while avoiding unnecessary collisions or getting trapped in tight spaces. As a result, it spends more time cleaning and less time getting stuck. Another feature I like is the Smart App support. Using your smartphone, you can manually control the robot, start targeted cleaning, check the real-time water temperature, and even activate one-touch docking when it's time to remove the skimmer from the pool. These extra controls make everyday operation much more convenient than many basic robotic skimmers. The overall build quality also looks promising. BRINBO uses a corrosion-resistant motor and a durable solar panel designed to handle constant exposure to water, sunlight, and pool chemicals, helping improve long-term reliability. Of course, no product is perfect. Like every surface skimmer, this robot only removes floating debris, so you'll still need a separate robotic pool cleaner or vacuum for dirt and debris that settles on the bottom. Solar performance can also vary depending on weather conditions, although the included charging adapter helps solve that problem. So, would I recommend buying it? After researching everything available online, my answer is yes. If you're looking for an affordable robotic pool skimmer that combines solar power, backup charging, smart app control, obstacle avoidance, and automatic daily cleaning, the BRINBO Pleco SK01 offers a strong combination of convenience and value. It helps keep your pool surface clean with very little effort on your part. Overall, I think the BRINBO Pleco SK01 is a practical choice for pool owners who want to spend less time skimming leaves and more time enjoying their pool. It delivers the essential features most people need while adding useful smart controls that make daily maintenance even easier. Thanks for watching. I hope this review helped you decide whether the BRINBO Pleco SK01 solar-powered pool skimmer robot is the right choice for your pool. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest tech reviews.